Hey Chris, what's going on? So you got lower back pain. Okay, this is what I do to relieve my lower back pain. I found this on the internet just like everything else, but it works for me. So take a ball, soccer ball, softball, something bigger than a softball will work. If you have a soccer ball, what you're gonna do, I'm using this 10-pound medicine ball. What you're gonna do, lay down on this ball basically, squeeze into the ball with your core and then release. So kind of do this on all four sections of your core and hold it just for a few seconds. This really helps me out. So basically sit down on this, lay into it, and then squeeze into it and then release. Squeeze into it, hold it for about 10-15 seconds and then release. And then move up a little bit, just a couple inches. Another quadrant of your core and do the same thing. Squeeze up and then release it. And have all your weight sitting on this ball. So don't support yourself with your knees. Just kind of let them lay here. And just support yourself a little bit with your elbows. So squeeze up and release fully. And squeeze up, hold it, and release. Now do the same thing on the other side. I'll just do one more over here. Upper quadrant, squeeze up, and just release it. Squeeze up and release it. And let those, when you release fully so you really sink into that ball. All right, so I do that for about 3-4 minutes. Next, lay down. Actually, you know what? What else I'm gonna need? I'm gonna need a yoga block, which I don't see right now. And since I don't have a yoga block, I can use this. All right, next one. Lay down. One leg up, the other leg down. And I actually bring both of them up. And pull this one away, put this leg right here on my left hand, pull that away while you bring the other one towards you back. So lay back and just do that. One, and hold it for a few seconds, and then release, and then the other side. Pull and push. And then the other side. Repeat it 5 or 6 times. Finally, what you're going to end up doing is taking the yoga block or something you can squeeze into. Bring your feet up and squeeze it. And release. Squeeze it and release. So repeat that a few times. You might feel your back snap on this. And the last exercise that we're going to do, I have this little roly-poly thing here that I got from TP Therapy a long time ago. If you don't have it, you can use 2 tennis balls or something you can tape up together and basically put this on a pillow or something soft and lay back down on it. Lean back and just bring that leg back and forth. Back and forth. And do the same thing on the other side. Just do it a few times. So that's it, Chris. This is what helps me with my lower back pain because I tweak my lower back all the time because I am an idiot and I deadlift too heavy, and this is what releases it. Hope it works for you. Snowboarding season will be good. I'll see you at work and I'll see you then.